Once you learn how to make a blank template, making and linking a custom page is much quicker and easier. Now you can use your blank template to make a new page. To show you how to do it, let's add a favorite songs page to the music page. But hold on. Before you go to the trouble of making an entirely new page, make a list of the vocabulary that you would want to add to that page. Then explore the page set and make sure that the vocabulary is not already on the device. If you have a word finder button within your page set, use it to locate vocabulary words. If you don't have one, you can always add it. Once you're sure that the vocabulary is not already on the system, it's time to get started. In the upper right-hand corner, select Menu, and then select Edit Page. Then select Menu again, and Load another page. Scroll to locate your blank template, and then select Done. Select Menu, and then select Import Copy Pages. Select Duplicate this page. Now let's find the copy we made. Select Menu, and then select Load another page. Scroll to locate your blank template copy and select it. Then select Done. Now it's time to rename the page. Select Menu, and then select Edit Page Layout. Type in a new name to reflect the page's content. In this case, we're calling it Favorite Songs. Then select Save. So we have our new page, but now we need to connect it into the page set. We do this by creating a button that will navigate to our new page. When linking your page, make sure that you put it in a logical place that will support your students' language development. For instance, if we're making a favorite songs page, why not link it to the music page? First, navigate to the page where you want to put your link. In this case, we'll navigate to the music page. In the upper right-hand corner, select Menu, and then select Edit Page. Now you're in edit mode. Select a blank button on the page where you wish to add your link. Then select Edit this button. In the drop-down menu, type in a button label and message. Then select an image to go with it. Since we want this button to navigate to our new page, we're going to scroll down to the Button Actions section, then select Edit. Right now the action is Speech Message, which means when you press it, it's going to say Favorite Songs. But we don't want that, so we're going to select Speech Message. Then we're going to delete Speech Message and select Add. Now we need to select a new button action. Since we want our button to navigate, we're going to scroll and select Navigate. Now a list of all the pages in the page set will pop up. Scroll and select the page you wish to navigate to. In this case, we're going to select Favorite Songs. Now you can choose whether you want animation or not. We're going to select No Animation. Select Done in the Button Actions area, and then select Save. Select Done in the upper left-hand corner to exit editing. Now you have a blank page to add your students' favorite songs.